Hi, this is Carl. Welcome back to another video in the tool review series. I went Christmas shopping this past weekend and I bought myself a present I think you'll enjoy, and I think I'm going to enjoy it, and I'm going to go over this with you. If you've got any questions or concerns, shoot me an email, scrollsawvideo@gmail.com, or leave a comment in the section below. Okay, here's what I bought. It's a nice DeWalt foldable workbench. Now this is, I think this is the fourth portable workbench that I've purchased now, and I like every single one of them for different reasons. I'm going to show you why I like this one, so let me put this heavy thing down and I'll get back with you. Okay, here we have the DeWalt portable folding workbench. Bought it at Home Depot. Very nice design here. See how I'm turning it around. Here it says try me on it, so let's try this thing. I'm going to show you how to open this thing up for the legs. Here it has a push button, so I'm going to turn this around. I'm going to push the button. Look how easy this is to pull these legs out. Pull up on this bar here. There you go. Very easily done. To push them back in, push in the button, just push down on this bar. There we go. I find that if you pick up on it while you're pushing the button, the legs fold out much easier. So, let's go over this thing. Pretty nice and sturdy. Have a tape measure here. Overall width is 23 3/4 inches. This way is 33 1/4 inches. Counting the handle is going to be 39 1/2 inches. So this is pretty nice here. I like this a lot. The only thing I don't like about it is this handle that's extended out, but I'll get over that. Here on the top it says 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds. That's the time it takes to open this thing up. Very sturdy here. This is rated at 1,000 pounds. Now, I am not nearly 1,000 pounds, but I don't think I'm going to have any projects heavier than my 185 pound frame here. Shaking a little bit, very sturdy. So I'm impressed with this. So I'm going to take this tag off of here. Since I know I'm going to be keeping this thing, not returning it, let's go ahead and take this off of here. Throw it to the side. Now previously, I had purchased these DeWalt bar clamps. And one thing about these, check this out. You can take this off. Insert this bar clamp into one of these holes. Put this bottom piece back on here. Now you can mount or clamp anywhere on this table that you need to clamp. There you go. Very sturdy, very strong. You can put it in any of these holes and clamp. And these smaller clamps, bar clamps here that I purchased at Home Depot, you can fit these into these long holes here. And we'll clamp something else on this table here. So we're just going to go like this. Clamp it down. Good to go. Nice features on this thing. And also, if you go from the edge, also clamp it from the edge, no problem. Very sturdy holding power. So, I'm impressed with this. Another good thing I'll show you. You can fit a chair up to it. Use it as a little craft table. Just whatever you need to do. I paid $69 for this at Home Depot. I've heard storage where these stores are selling out. So if you see one of these, if you're interested in it, go ahead and grab it. If you find you don't like it in the future, just take it back. But I'm sure you'll like this table. In fact, this probably might end up being my second favorite work table. So if you got any questions or concerns about it, contact DeWalt at DeWalt.com. Check their specifications on their website. Or if I can answer any more questions for you, just shoot me an email. I do appreciate you watching. And please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot.